In North Scottsdale lies the wonderful gated 55-plus community of Scottsdale Heights, where you discover this modern Spanish-style residence. The gated entry leads you past the swimming pool with spa and pickleball courts before reaching the home. Located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, the home is accessed past the double garage, and under a covered front door, you enter the stunning interiors. The hallway leads you into an exceptional open-plan living area, incorporating the living room, dining room and kitchen, all under 12-foot ceilings. The living room sits beside huge glass sliding doors, allowing for indoor-outdoor living and casting wonderful light across the space. The gourmet kitchen is both beautiful and functional, with a huge social centre island with sink and counter seating, custom cabinetry and modern high-end appliances. The rear yard is a serene escape with a fireplace, water feature and ample space for outdoor cooking and relaxing. The primary bedroom suite delivers a luxurious experience with a large bedroom, exceptionally appointed bathroom and fitted closet. The home boasts 2 additional bedroom suites, one superbly designed with ensuite bathroom, and one currently being used as an office. Complete with a mudroom from the garage with laundry, community dog park and walking trails, and proximity to great shops and restaurants, it offers all the required elements for luxury desert living.